Hello guys, my name is Shanu SK, SAP FICO, S4 HANA Finance and CACMA trainer. Today I am going to discuss about difference between Profit Center Accounting and COPA Class 4. So Profitability Analysis Controlling Module, free lectures for my YouTube subscribers in English. If you are completely new to this channel or watching my videos first time, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. So in the previous discussions, I clearly explained what is the difference between account based COPA and costing based COPA. Today's topic is the main difference between profit center accounting and COPA. Let's move to the topic. Okay, let's understand the topic in very detail. So profit center accounting is mainly focused on financial result. So financial result is just like end of the accounting period, we need to analyze what is the profit of the company or loss. So whether the division or product line or branch is in the loss position or in the profit position, so how we can analyze based on the profit center. So profit center is a particular division, branch or product line for which you want to find out the financial result. So based on the financial result, we can easily track out the what is the profits of the particular division or branch or product line. And in the last session, I clearly explained what is the difference between account based COPA and costing based COPA, and also I explained clearly what is COPA. So COPA mainly focus on segments, market segments. So market segments can be customer or any product or any branch or any sales area. So any business segment that we can say. So mainly the COPA focus more on the business segments like product line or sales area wise, and how much the profit of the particular business units, how much profit of the particular segments that we can easily trace out by using the COPA. So here profitability analysis COPA allows management to ability to review the information with respect of the company's profits or contribution margin by using business segments. So by using the business segments, we can easily track out the company's mainly what is the profits, what is the margin, what is the contribution margin of the particular company, that we can easily trace out by using the profitability analysis method. So profitability analysis can be obtained in the following methods. So there are two ways are there that every company can use, either accounting based analysis or costing based analysis. So you can also choose both account based and costing based analysis. So account based analysis, which is used account based valuation approaches. So here the accounts can be reconciled with FI. So account based analysis mainly focus on cost and revenue elements, and accounts are used in the account based analysis. But in case of costing based, so costing based valuation approaches are different and it is defined by the user. Okay. So and profit center accounting mainly focus on periodic accounting and cost of sales approach. There are two types of accounting are there, periodic accounting and cost of sales approach. Both will be followed by the profit center accounting, but in case of COPA, so costing based valuation should be approached, and profit center accounting can be set up with the identify product lines, and we can also divisions, geographical regions, offices, production sites by functions. So profit centers are used for internal purpose, enabling management the ability to review areas of responsibilities with their organization. So how we can say profit centers mainly focus on how much profit that is generated for the particular branch or division or product line, and what is the geographical region wise profit is there, and the losses are there, and offices wise and production site wise by function wise we can easily trace out. So it is completely helpful to the internal management to take further action. So profit center accounting or COPA both mainly focus on internal reporting. Internal reporting is just like to taking the decision activities. So decision will be taken by management. So here the clear difference between the profit center accounting and profitability analysis, both are given in this place. If an organization wants to analyze its internal profit and losses of the department wise or different area wise within the company, then recommended to use profit center accounting. So profit center accounting is recommended whenever the company wants to analyze the internal profits or losses of the department wise or for different area wise within the company, then profit center accounting should be recommended by the organization. So recommended by the management. And profitability analysis, the main purpose of profitability analysis is to help the organization to analyze the profitability based on the market segments. So based on the market segments, by extracting sales, profit and loss and cost related data from other modules like SD and production MM. So in order to learn COPA, or you want to expert in the COPA, then we should learn these modules like SD, production, PP and MM module. Then you will get a clear picture what exactly COPA, because the data is directly flowing from these modules. And here you can also see the profit center accounting. So PCA can be used by companies in the branch of industries. So profit center accounting will be used in the industries like mechanical engineering, chemical services and so on, in the form of productive repetitive manufacturing or make to order manufacturing and process manufacturing. So here some of the manufacturing process is different and their scenarios are different. So here make to order manufacturing and repetitive manufacturing and process manufacturing, these are three are completely different. So if the company is a manufacturing company and they are following repetitive manufacturing process or make to order process or process manufacturing, then so here the profit center accounting is 100% recommended. And so here in the profit center accounting, periodic and cost of sales approaches both are followed in the profit center accounting. And in case of profitability analysis, so here the companies like mechanical engineering, wholesale and retail, chemical, service industries and so on, so these companies generally prefer profitability analysis and repetitive manufacturing. So repetitive manufacturing like and process, 1 minute please, process, make to order manufacturing process and repetitive manufacturing process. So these are the companies generally will prefer COPA. Okay, so the data can be analyzed by period or by order or by project. So profitability analysis use cost of sales accounting, but in case of PCA, so profit center accounting, periodic accounting and cost of sales approaches both are followed, but in case of COPA, cost of sales accounting method should be followed, and data can be analyzed based on the period, by order or by project. And ECPA, you can see you can create profit center accounting by region, product wise and function wise. So here you can see one minute please, I'm getting so many messages. In ECPA we structure units which we want to evaluate profit centers. We can create profit centers according to region, branch offices, plants and function and sales and product and regions divisions. So these are all important areas for the profit center accounting. We can also track the profits by using these branches. So based on these branches and plants, functions and production wise, you can also trace out. The market segments can be structured like product, customers, orders or any characteristics and organization units. So if you want to track out all the profit and profit of the particular division or like characteristics or like customers orders, then you can also trace out this information. So this is support management in decision making by providing in-depth analysis of the market orientation. So this is all about the difference between profit center accounting and profitability analysis. So if you are completely new to this channel or watching my videos first time, please subscribe it now and hit the bell icon. And so please subscribe, like and comment, share of this today video. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for your support. See you.